Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so I want to show you the difference between a Lydian scale and a Lydian dominant scale. Alright, so let's look at C Lydian scale. So I'm going to call the numbers. We have a 1, 2, 3. A Lydian scale has a sharpened fourth. Yeah, you can see that. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So one more time. 1, 2, 3. Sharpened fourth. 5, 6, 7, 8. But Lydian dominant scale has 1, 2, 3. Sharpened fourth. 5, 6. Then it has a flattened seventh. Then to the 1 note. So we have a for Lydian dominant scale. So it has sharpened fourth and flattened seventh. But Lydian scale just has just a sharpened fourth alone and then major seventh. So subscribe to this channel as I'll be showing you great ways of using these chords, using these skills, rather building chords from this skill. And one of the ones I use that's always very powerful. God bless you.